Hey guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing the Jeffree Star Halloween Premium Mystery Box. Okay, so the first thing I got is the Lip Ammunition and Brown Sugar. So that's really pretty. I think it's a really nice lip topper. So the next item I got is the Velour Liquid Lipstick in First Class, which I'm actually really excited. I haven't seen anybody get this in their mystery box yet. Wow, it's giving me C-3PO vibes. I love Star Wars. Even though I feel like I definitely cannot pull this off, I'm going to try it anyway. So I feel like I don't really pull this off very well, but it's definitely more wearable than I thought because it kind of, it's not as opaque as I thought it would be, so it kind of has more of an orangish gold appearance, I guess, because it kind of like my lip color is still kind of shining through a bit. I'm going to try to, we'll see what happens if I add one more layer, just in case you want to, have C-3PO lips. Yeah, so it looks like you can definitely build it up, but still my natural lip color shines through, so I think it's really cool. I mean, I feel like it's really appropriate for Halloween, and yeah, I like it because, again, it reminds me of C-3PO. I'm probably the only person that had that thought when they opened this lipstick. And now the exclusive Halloween item, Soul Sucker, the Velour Liquid Lipstick in Soul Sucker. I feel like I will not be able to pull this off either, but I'm going to try. So here's Soul Sucker. Very Halloween appropriate. And I'm gonna let this dry down, and then I think I'm gonna put the C-3PO shade. It's not called, it's First Class. I'm gonna add First Class on top of it in the center. Ooh. So here is Soul Sucker with First Class on top of it. Again, as you can see, that this First Class shade is actually really cool because obviously it's kind of because obviously it's not completely opaque, but that is actually really cool because whatever color you have underneath is going to shine through. So I feel like this would be a very versatile lipstick. Yeah, I think that's actually really cool. But I don't think I pulled this off very well at all, but it's really fun for Halloween. Definitely excited about this for Halloween. And should I keep this on? Should I keep this on while I unbox the rest? I don't know. I guess I'll keep it on. And then okay, so now the last item is the Mini Breaker palette. I'm not going to open this because I have the Mini Breaker palette, and I will be doing a giveaway soon, and I will be putting this in the giveaway. So make sure that you're subscribed with the notification bells on. And yeah, I will definitely have this in an upcoming giveaway. My Mini Breaker palette is a little bit dirty. I use it a lot. I actually took this on vacation with me. If you want to see my travel vlog, I'll have that linked below. I recently posted it, and I used this in one of those looks. But this is how it looks inside. I personally really love this. My favorite shade is Oral. It's a really cool shade that's purple with this blue shift. Actually, you know what? I'll just go ahead and apply it. I'm just going to use my fingers. I'm just going to use my finger to apply this. I'm just going to apply it on my lid. So this is what it looks like on the lid. I just really love this shade. I think it's so unique. Um, yeah. Um, so yeah, again, if you want to win this palette, make sure that you're subscribed and ring the notification bell. I will have an upcoming giveaway with that as one of the items. The lipstick is very out of my comfort zone, but again, it's very cool for Halloween. I think it's really fun. And again, I just think this first class shade, the C3PO shade, is really cool and that you can do a lot with it. And thank you so much for watching my unboxing, and I hope you have a great day.